Welcome to Touch to Click. In this video I'll show you how to put apps on home screen Windows 11 so you can quickly access your favorite apps. Now let's get started. Step 1. Click the Windows icon at the bottom of your screen. This opens the Start menu, where all your installed apps are located. It's the main place to access your programs. Step 2. Click on All at the top right of the Start menu. This shows the full list of apps in alphabetical order. It helps you find apps that are not pinned. Step 3. Scroll and find the app you want to add. Look through the list carefully if you have many apps. Make sure you select the correct one. Step 4. Click and hold the app with your mouse. Keep holding the button so you can move it. This allows you to drag it to another place. Step 5. Drag the app to your desktop. You will see the desktop in the background as you move it. This creates a shortcut for quick access. Step 6. Release the mouse when you see link. This confirms a shortcut will be created. Now the app icon will appear on your desktop. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click.